Garden petunia is a popular garden flower loved for its beauty, tolerance to harsh conditions, and versatility. This petunia is large and comes in many colors and variegations, each adding unique interest and qualities to their gardens or landscapes. This petunia's popularity has given it the nickname Queen of the Flower Bed. The colors and patterns give off a peaceful ambience, making this flower a symbol of serenity and tranquility. Surprisingly, garden petunia is a hybrid species of two other petunia species, but is often more popular than either of its parents. The name petunia comes from the French word pétan, which translates to tobacco plant. It is specifically referred to as the garden petunia because it is one of the most popular kinds of petunias found in gardens. If you wish to attract hummingbirds, then this petunia can help you out. Not only do the bright colors attract these energetic birds, but the flowers also provide them with delicious nectar. Hummingbirds will most likely flock to varieties that are red, yellow, or orange. Garden petunia is a common garden staple and is often featured in butterfly and pollinator gardens. However, this petunia will look great in any flower bed or border you're planted in. Growing a garden petunia is fairly easy as this is not a picky flower. Place your petunia in a location with plenty of sunlight, as this plant requires at least 5 hours of sun to thrive. Plant it in soil that is fertile, well-draining, and slightly acidic. Water about once each week to keep the soil moist, but make sure to avoid waterlogging. Garden petunia is the embodiment of the perfect garden flower. With just a bit of care and love, this classic flower will bring beauty, joy, and a touch of serenity to your garden.